Amazing facts about raccoons. Meet the raccoons, nature's bandit masked adventurers. These nocturnal creatures are known for their dexterous paws and sharp intellect. Raccoons are omnivores, feasting on anything from fruits to small animals. They even open trash cans for meals. Unbelievably, raccoons have a sense of touch that surpasses most mammals, even underwater. This helps them find food in dark places. You might be surprised to know that raccoons are excellent